Offered for sale is a 2023 Ford E-Transit T-350 mid-roof cargo van, a modern all-electric commercial vehicle designed for efficient urban delivery, service operations, and fleet applications. This Class 2 light-duty cargo van is powered by a Ford electric motor producing 266 horsepower and paired with a single-speed automatic transmission and a 4x2 drivetrain. As a fully electric vehicle, it eliminates fuel costs and reduces maintenance requirements, making it an ideal solution for businesses looking to lower operating expenses while maintaining reliable performance. This unit has only 750 miles and remains in like-new condition, previously owned by a major utility fleet. It carries a 9,500-pound GVWR supported by a 4,130-pound front axle rating and a 6,000-pound rear axle rating, along with a 130-inch wheelbase and single rear axle configuration. The van rides on a spring suspension system and features an all-steel body with a mid-roof configuration, providing a practical balance of interior cargo space and maneuverability. The cargo area is designed for functionality and durability, featuring a plastic interior lining, aluminum cargo area construction elements, and a sliding curbside door for easy access. The rear is equipped with swing doors, allowing full opening for loading and unloading. This configuration is ideal for delivery routes, service technicians, and mobile businesses requiring organized cargo space and easy accessibility. Inside, the van is equipped with a gray regular cab interior and includes air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and power door locks. Technology and safety features include Ford Sync 4 connectivity, a large 12-inch touchscreen display, reverse sensing system, rear view camera, and a 360-degree camera system, providing excellent visibility and driver assistance. Additional safety features include Advanced Track with Roll Stability Control, RSC, enhancing stability and control during operation. This unit includes a 110-volt charger, allowing convenient charging from standard outlets. Based on manufacturer specifications for the Ford E-Transit platform, the estimated driving range is approximately 108 to 126 miles per charge under typical operating conditions, depending on payload and driving environment. Under heavier load conditions closer to maximum GVWR, real-world range typically falls within approximately 90 to 110 miles per charge, making it well-suited for local routes, city deliveries, and predictable daily operations. Notes indicate this vehicle has a clean Carfax, one-owner history, and remains under factory warranty, further reinforcing its value as a low-mile, ready-to-work electric cargo van.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go, because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms,